Hey YouTube, what is happening? This is Nav, and today is a special video for me because this is not the type of video that I would normally do, the vlogging style. Now because I'm reviewing the Dji Osmo Pocket, I want to try this camera out because that's what this camera is made for, is for vlogging. Now what I'm going to do is travel to my local park. I've got my son with me and my nephew. So yes, and just in case you're wondering, yes, I've got the Delish Ertul hat on as well. So what I'm going to do is do some cinematic B-roll footage as well. So stay tuned to see how this camera performs, especially with the 4K 60 frames per second. So without further ado, let's get straight into this. So guys, that's a little bit of the vlog for you. It's getting a little bit cold out here. It's roughly 9 degrees Celsius, so hands are getting a little bit cold now. Don't have my gloves with me. I think Yasin's getting a little bit cold as well, my son. So we're gonna head back off home, and I'll finish the rest of the video there. So see you soon. Right guys, just got back. It's freezing out there, but first things first. That's better. Nothing beats nice cup of hot cocoa when you come outside from the cold. We're expecting -3 degrees in the next couple of days here in Sheffield, United Kingdom. So it's going to be freezing outside, even more colder than today what was. Anyways, yeah, just so you know, I'm still recording on the Osmo Pocket right now, and the audio that you're hearing from is still from the Osmo Pocket. So let me know how the audio sounds. Is it okay? I've not heard it on the computer just yet, but I might have to boost the audio a little bit. There's a little bit of echo in this room. See if you can pick that out. And also, is there any noise in the audio that you can hear? Let me know. And in my opinion, I'm absolutely loving the camera right now. Yes, it has its limitations. It's not the best out there. Maybe if you want an action camera type of setup, then you go for a GoPro. But if you're looking at a vlogging camera, a compact vlogging camera, then in my opinion, this is the best thing that you can get right now. It's absolutely amazing. It's very discreet out there, so you're not basically uncomfortable holding a big camera nowadays. This is a little camera that's easily held in your palm of your hand. Just remember, guys, I did pay for this camera. This is not a paid review or anything like that, so it's my honest review. And yes, the limitations about this camera is on low light, it's not going to do very well. Some of the slow motion footage is not very good as well, but it's usable. I don't know if you noticed, some of the clips that I've recorded was 4K 30, and I've slowed that down halfway, and obviously it's a little bit choppy, so I forgot to do 4K 60 on them. So see if you can pick out those clips and let me know in the comments below which clips of mine did I forget to record at 4K 60. So that's why it's choppy. It's nothing to do with the camera. Audio wise, it's always best to use a second source of audio input rather than using the built-in camera microphone, as that's where you're going to get your best audio. However, see if this is alright, because the proximity is quite close to the subject. The audio is not going to be that bad. Anyways, let me know how it sounds in the comments below. Right guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more vlogging style videos like this, then do comment below and let me know if you want to see more. Otherwise, if you want to continue seeing me doing the reviews of your normal gadgets and tech gear that I normally do, then again comment below and let me know how this video was. Did you enjoy it? If you did, hit that like button, it helps me out a lot. And if you haven't already done so, consider subscribing, as there's plenty more content coming up. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, as you'll be the first to know when my videos are out. So until next time guys, take care.